How to set up a Windows 11 Hello PIN. So this will allow you to sign in to your laptop or computer without requiring a password, and instead you'll use a numeric PIN code. Now, in order to set this up, you'll first need to open up the Start menu on your PC and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Accounts, and then you'll need to scroll down to Sign In Options. Now, you should have an option here for PIN Windows Hello. Now, if it says this option is currently unavailable, then what you can do is click on the drop-down arrow, and you can see it will say you must add a password before you can use this sign-in option. So if you come down to the password first, you can then press Add, and then go and set up a password for your computer. Now, once you've set up a password, you can scroll back up to Windows Hello PIN and click on the drop-down arrow, and you now have the option to press Set Up. So go and enter the password that we just set for our computer. You can then type in a numeric PIN code that you'll use to sign in to your computer. You can also include letters and symbols by checking this option here, but I'm just going to go ahead and set my PIN code and then press OK. Now, once this is set up, you can then sign out of your computer and you can use this PIN code to sign back in.